Autumn, a season of falling leaves and hibernating flowers and trees, of gathering and hoarding, of fresh, frosty, sparkly mornings, a season of crunching leaves that people busily sweep, for chestnut roasting and pumpkin making, for bonfire flames dancing in the midnight air, a season of warmth despite the whistling winds, and children playing beneath the bare trees. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel then welcome. I would love for you to stay and click the subscribe button. Today I am participating in a floral fall challenge, and this challenge is hosted by Artsy Cupcake and Heidi. I'll be sure to leave the link to their channels in the description below. Today I have a beautiful piece planned for you that's really nice as a home decor piece as well as a handmade gift. So first things first, take your teacup and hot glue that into place. To start decorating your saucer, take some moss because this makes a really nice base layer. And I'm taking some light coloured moss to suit the fall season more. And I'm just going to add some hot glue to stick that down. So just keep doing this bit by bit. And now that you have your base layer, you can start decorating and adding elements like bark or pine cones, anything that you can find for free at your park or your garden. The great thing about these fall DIYs is that I use things that are really free or inexpensive. So here I've used the majority is from my own garden or the park, and then I have also used some bits of potpourri that's really easy to find and very inexpensive too. And if you want to highlight or bring anything to life a little, you can take some paint like gold, orange, red, autumny colours and just add a bit of highlight. So you can see I've gone in with the gold paint. It is really fine detailing, but I just like paying attention to those smaller details. Okay, so once you've finished that, you are on to the next stage. So now we're going to be getting to the slightly trickier part, but you should be able to do it easily. Just bend your fork. If you need a bit of help, you can go ahead and use some pliers to bend it. And if you are using a hot glue gun, make sure you be careful with the metal because that will get extremely hot. If you decide to add a cup on here or a teapot, make sure that you add some sand or stones in here just to give it some extra support and weight, otherwise this might just tip over. I've just gone ahead and added this on. It's a mini strainer that I found in the charity shop. I just thought it's super cute, it's rustic and it just looks nice. Now you're going to want to hide your fork and the support system that you've created by taking some flowers and hot gluing them down. I'm trying to use colours that are more related to fall, and this is the best that I can do with what I've got. And I also just wanted to add that if you are using a cup or a teapot, make sure that you do use E6000 because hot glue probably won't be strong enough to hold. So just to finalise now, you can take some artificial leaves and just cover all of the stones with those. And to finish up, I'm taking this flower that was in the potpourri box and I'm placing that just here. And then the last flower head I'm going to place just there. And of course you can stick all of these down. And here's the finished DIY. I hope that you have all enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to see more DIYs and content like this, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. I think this piece looks really arty and I love all of the natural elements on the saucer. It resembles real life, I guess, as well, where the fresh fallen leaves are still colourful and the ones at the bottom are dead or brown. Well, that's it for now, so take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!